So we're at the Grand Floridian today, taking a look at a 3-bedroom and a 2-bedroom suite.
Yes.
We can't wait to take a look at it, see what it's like, and we're gonna invite you to come along with us. Got the 2-bedroom. So we go, once we enter, we go to the right. So this is the bathroom from the master suite. God, look at, even this is huge. Look at that. Wow, wow. You would never want to come out of here if you're taking a shower. See that?
No.
So that's cool. Get the sink, what kind of drawers. There's the mirror. That's really cool. And then, but there's still more here. Shut the shower door. You get a good view here. A nice tub right there. A mirror. And another sink. So if you wanted to take a bubble bath while you're on vacation, you could. And while you're taking a bubble bath, see that? Get the TV right into the mirror. So you can watch whatever you wanted. Look, see? TV while you're taking a bubble bath. So here's the master bedroom. Nice king-size bed. Wow, look at, nice and roomy. Good chair to sit down.
Where are you guys staying right now? Colony. Oh, Colony.
You got the balcony right here.
Oh, nice. So she just doing it.
And then right here,
This is 2017.
desk
So we've had it a
with some drawers and the TV right there. And I like how the TV looks like it's in a frame, picture frame there.
Yeah. I can't wear anything but Skechers. Oh, that's good though. I like the
And then you got the
yeah.
big closet like right in here. Look at that. Wow. That is cool. We continue on. Get the living room. I like the decor in here. Decor, I should say. Silhouette Minnie and Mickey. And I sit down on the couch. And look at that. You can just sit here watching TV right in this little mini living room. What do you think of this, huh, Meredith?
This is cool too.
And you do have access to the balcony here.
So this is 1 bedroom?
This is a 2-bedroom.
Two bedroom, okay.
2-bedroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Usually 1 bedroom stops right here,
Oh, okay.
like this, right here.
Okay. Yep.
Wow. And then we get the kitchen. This is a good sized kitchen, especially on vacation here. And Meredith, you know this is the fridge right here.
Yep. I just trying to get comfortable.
You get the freezer. And I like how they have the table set up here. It's like a
Like
booth
that,
style.
yeah.
Yeah, booth style with
Yeah.
a couple of chairs. No, and I like these plates at the back too. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right, all this cabinet space.
Yeah.
Cool, and I'm just gonna go show the other bedroom. Whoop.
Don't worry.
All right. We got a desk here. We walk in, and then they have their own bathroom. Right. Nice shower here. Hopefully you can see that. Nice sink. You get some storage for your toiletries and your towels. get to see me again in the mirror.
Oh,
But then you also have the tub here, so two people can take a shower if need be. And actually, I just noticed there's two doors here for the bathroom, Meredith.
Oh, yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, that is called pocket door.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's called pocket door, yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And they have their own closet space here. Very spacious.
Yeah, so that, you know, someone can be here and someone can be over.
And I'm gonna assume this sleeps four. Looks like two queen size beds. Wow. This is beautiful too. And they also get their own access to their balcony. And there must be a petition as well. Nice table and chair set to sit down in. And I like these drawers, Meredith. Look.
Yeah.
Good
Plenty
with
of
the
room.
mirrors. Oh yeah, look at that.
Plenty of room for clothes for everybody. That much room.
Yeah. Yeah, two books. I don't know if you can see that, but they has a Blu-ray player there.
Yeah, very cool.
Wow.
You don't want to leave the room.
Yeah. So this is the 2-bedroom.
Yeah, the kids wouldn't mind staying
No. Just trying to get the whole room best I can here.
here. You know where to
All
start.
right, so this is the 3-bedroom at the Grand Floridian. We're gonna have to get this dining room table. Awesome dining room table here. Bunch of chairs. Awesome chandelier. And this is like the living room area. 2 love seats. Wow. And just to show you what the ceiling, you can get decor on the ceiling. And if we look here, so there's the view for the one we're checking out. And it's got 2 patios. So that's one on the master side. And what they said is there's another one for the other bedrooms on the other side of the area. That is so cool. And then you got a full kitchen back here. This is nicer than our kitchen. Even the living room's nicer. Get all the plates and everything. That's the fridge. You got the freezer. Wow. This is unbelievable. And if we go back this way, you have 1 bedroom that fits, sleeps 4, 2 queen size beds. They have access to their own patio. Get the desk, the closet there. I'm assuming there's room here. You can put all your clothes or whatever there. Get the nightstand. Beautiful artwork there. And right across the hall, they have their own bathroom. Get the sink so you get the TV right in the mirror. You can see it right there. Look at that sink. Area for the bathroom. That's the tub with the shower. Wow. Nice towel rack there. And if we go down a little further, so you get guests. So this, I think he said, sleeps 12 to 15. They have their own door that they can have access to on this side. So that way they don't disturb you if you're sleeping on the other end. And here's another bedroom sleeps 4. Very similar to the one we were at. You know, access to your own balcony. Pretty much the same. Right, and they get their own closet. And they also have their own bathroom here. And here you can see there's the TV right in the mirror.
I am the lost princess.
Meredith, what do you think?
That's nice. I hope these books come out this week.
Wow, this is awesome. All right, I'm just gonna go back down the hall here and show the media room and the master bedroom. Wow. Imagine living here. So we'll start in the master bedroom. Nice king size bed. I mean, look at this. Wow. I mean, we have a king size bed at home, but not this nice. This is awesome. Look at that. I'll give you a different view from here. This is a gorgeous room. I think if we moved to Disney, I mean, moved to Florida, I'd love to stay here, live here for the rest of my life. And as you can see, get your own outdoor access to your own little patio. Look at this artwork. Mary Poppins. Wow. But you haven't seen anything yet. Off the master bedroom, you have your own bathroom, but first you got some closets here on each side. You have your own set of closets here. Now look at this bathroom. First you get the double sink with the TV and this big huge mirror. Hello. Look at this whirlpool tub. Holy cats. Right? Nice artwork right there, but look at this. You get your own bathroom, but look at this shower. I mean, honestly, look how big this shower is. This is unbelievable. Meredith, would you like one of these in your house? I mean, holy moly.
Yeah.
That's a big shower.
And 5 of your friends have been there.
Now I'm going to show you one other thing that's right next to the master bedroom. Is the media room. Well, right across the media room, before we get there, is another bathroom. So four bathrooms total. And this isn't bad either. Look at this.
No, they're all nice.
Yeah. Don't get any ideas. Yeah, if you didn't spend so much on Disney merch, this is where we could be living. But then you get the media room. Look at this. You could be watching your Disney movies here. The whole crew. Your own trays with your snacks. Oh, Tron. They got the Tron on.
DVD player.
DVD player. And just all kinds of cupboard space. Drawers.
Great.
And this has a ceiling fan as well. This is spectacular. Wow. And they did say you could get it as low as 75 points a night. They've seen it in as high as 175 points a night. So it's just something that you have to look into. We might have to check into that, nice special occasion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Meredith, you just saw the 2-bedroom and the 3-bedroom.
Mm-hmm.
What did you think?
Absolutely stunning, gorgeous. I can't I mean, I want to move in.
Yeah, my mind was blown
Yeah, it was
away.
gorgeous. I mean,
I loved the 3-bedroom,
yeah,
but you know what? The 2-bedroom wasn't too shabby
No.
either.
no,
Now, for next summer when we have more DVC points,
yes,
I think we already targeted where we want to stay.
Yep.
Would you agree?
yeah,
Now, the 2-bedroom, I think we don't have enough points,
no,
but I think we're going to try for the Grand Floridian studio
yeah,
for our next trip.
yep,
But I would recommend the 2 and 3-bedroom. Man, you really have
Yeah.
to see it in person.
yes.
So I hope you liked the review that we did, that we should try to show around. Hope you enjoy that.
Yes.
But until next time, we'll see you real soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.